What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about SSS salary loan. I-share ko sa inyo kung paano nyo malaman kung kayo ba ay qualified na for SSS salary loan at saka kung paano mag-apply ng SSS salary loan. So of course, kailangan nyo munang i-check kung qualified kayo before kayo mag-proceed for filing your SSS salary loan. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. Unang-una guys, para ma-check nyo kung kayo ba ay qualified for SSS salary loan, login muna kayo sa My SSS. Sign in nyo yung account niyo, yung user ID at saka password. Ngayon, kung hindi nyo alam kung ano yung user ID at saka password nyo, baka nakalimutan nyo, may isa po akong vlog kung paano i-retrieve or paano malaman yung username ninyo at para makapag-change password kayo para malagin nyo yung my.sss ninyo para ma-check ninyo kung kayo pa ay qualified sa SSS salary loan. Nasa description po yung link guys. Tap nyo lang yung more, then makikita nyo dyan yung link patungo doon sa kung paano i-check or paano i-retrieve yung password at username ninyo sa my.sss online. So pagka-login nyo guys, makikita nyo dyan kung magkano yung contribution ninyo. Ngayon, para makita nyo kung kayo ba ay qualified na for SSS salary loan, dyan sa taas, nakikita nyo sa taas ng pangalan nyo, may tatlong guhit. I-click nyo yan, tapos mapupunta kayo sa menu. Then i-click nyo yung loans. Nakikita nyo pagka-click nyo ng loan, ayan, salary loan, calamity loan, pension loan, loan penalty condonation. Ngayon, since salary loan kayo, i-click nyo yung salary loan para ma-check nyo kung kayo ba ay qualified or hindi. Then nakikita nyo dyan, loan application will be rejected due to the following reasons. So, alam nyo na guys, hindi pa qualified itong account na to for salary loan. Kasi, you have no disbursement account eligible for electric disbursement of salary loan. Please enroll your preferred disbursement account in the disbursement account enrollment. So, kailangan nyong i-enroll yung account which is doon madidisburse kung balak nyo mag-loan. Since wala pa, kaya hindi siya qualified. Ngayong pangalawang reason, you have no 6 contributions for the last 12 months. Last contribution considered as 12/2024. So, ibig sabihin guys, hindi kayo nakapaghulog ng 6 na beses sa loob ng 12 taon or 1 year. Kaya kailangan 6 na beses kayo naghulog pataas sa loob ng 1 taon. Your posted contribution is only 16. Therefore, you lack the required number of contributions of 36 months for you to qualify for the 1 month salary loan. Ngayon, yung na-post lang kasi sa account na to is 16 na beses pa lang naghulog. Yung kailangan kasi is 36 months. Ganun yung mga qualification or kailangan yung tandaan kung balak nyo mag-salary loan. Ngayon, ito pa, may isa pa, your SSS number is tagged as temporary number. Please submit your supporting documents to any SSS branch for conversion of your SS number from temporary to permanent. Ngayon, kailangan yung asikasuhin muna kung naka-temporary pa lang yung account niyo sa SSS. Then, yung salary loan will be rejected due to no current contribution under your certifying employer. So, kung wala lang hulog mula sa kung ano yung pinakalas na employer ninyo. Kaya kailangan yung i-update yung SSS ninyo para ma-check nyo, para maging qualified kayo for 1 month salary loan. Kailangan yung nabanggit na yun is present doon sa account ninyo para ma-approve kayo. Ngayon, since na-check nyo na kung qualified kayo or hindi, para sa mga qualified, proceed tayo ngayon kung paano mag-apply ng SSS salary loan. So ito guys, nakikita nyo, to apply for an SSS salary loan, log in to my.sss, navigate to e-services, choose loans, click apply for salary loan, select your disbursement channel, online, enroll your bank account, and wait for approval. So ngayon, di ba kanina nag-login tayo sa my SSS natin? Kailangan nyo muna mag-login sa panibagong portal ni SSS. Then, log in to my.sss. Go to SSS website. Pagka-login nyo guys, punta kayo doon sa may 3 dot na pinakita ko kanina. Then, hanapin nyo yung loans. Pagka-click nyo ng loans, nakikita nyo yung salary loan. Ngayon, kung qualified kayo, maganda siya kasi mabilis na lang. Pagka-pili nyo yung loans from the e-services, drop down, select loans. Then, number 4 is apply for salary loan. Kung qualified kayo, may options doon na apply for salary loan. Kung wala, edi mag-antay kayo ng tamang panahon. Ngayon, panglimang hakbang or panglimang steps, select disbursement channel. Choose your preferred method for receiving the loan proceeds, example, bank account, mobile wallet. So, kailangan yung i-enroll yung bank account ninyo or di kaya yung, kung may e-wallets man kayo, pwede nyong ilagay doon para doon ipasok yung loan. Then, yung pang-anim is enroll disbursement account if needed. If you haven't already enrolled your personal bank or financial account or mobile phone number using DAEM Disbursement Account Enrollment Program. Carefully read the SSS Disbursement Account Enrollment Document and agree to the terms. Kailangan nyo mag-agree sa terms and conditions para ma-proceed yung application nyo. Number 7 is wait for approval. Wait for the approval of your disbursement account enrollment. So, hindi lahat guys approve. So, may approval siya. Kailangan yung i-check from time to time kung approve na ba yung application nyo. Kasi kung hindi pa, pwede kayong magpanibagong lagay doon ng disbursement account kung hindi tinanggap yung nilagay ninyo. The number 8 is proceed with loan application. Since nakapag-enroll na kayo ng disbursement account, once your disbursement account is approved, you can proceed with the rest of the loan application process. Select the desired loan amount. You can choose to borrow an amount lower than the maximum loanable amount. Mayroong nakatakda doon, kumbaga credit limit ninyo, kung magkano lang yung pwede nyong i-loan. Dapat mas mababa lang doon. Tapos, review and submit. Pagka filled up ninyo, nang kailangan ilagay doon ng mga detalye, review nyo yung details, basahin nyo ulit, tapos kung tama naman, then submit nyo na yung application nyo. Then last step is check the status. You can check the status of your loan application through My SSS portal. So kailangan yung i-login ulit yung account niyo sa My SSS portal para i-check kung approved na ba or hindi yung application ninyo for loans. Then you can also contact SSS call center at 920-6446 up to 55 or 917-7777. Yun yung contact center ng SSS guys para pwede nyong i-check yung progress or kung kumusta na yung loan application ninyo, kung approved na ba or hindi pa. So ito guys, note lang na since ito ay salary loan, of course may karampatang interest ito. Kaya dapat maging aware kayo kung balak nyo mag-apply ng SSS salary loan, ito ay may interest. Hindi naman ganun kalaki yung interest niya guys. Mababa lang compared sa ibang lending platform, yung pinagkakautangan. Dito kasi it's a government, kaya kahit papaano minimal lang yung fees and charges niya. Ngayon, huwag niyong kakalimutang bayaran, of course, kasi loan yan, masisira yung pangalan niyo doon sa SSS. Dapat obligado kayong magbayad sa monthly amortization ninyo sa loan ninyo. Huwag niyo siyang papabayaan kasi malay mo, in the future, kailanganin nyo ulit o hindi na kayo makapag-loan. It's because may problema sa account ninyo. So ito guys, ulitin ko lang yung qualifying conditions. All employed and currently contributing self-employed or voluntary members applying for salary loan must meet the following eligibility requirements. Kahit voluntary ka lang guys, pwede pa rin kayo mag-loan ng salary loan. For a 1-month loan, the member borrower must have 36 posted monthly contributions, 6 of which should be within the 12 months prior to the month of filing the application. So, dapat, diba, nag-apply kayo ngayon, before dapat 12 months nung nakalipas, dapat may 6 kayong hulog. So, I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Sana may na-share ako kahit kunti. Sana naman may natutunan kayo. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!